Good morning, students. Now we will perform some activity based on potentiometer. Let us read the numerical. In a potentiometer arrangement, a cell of EMF 1.25 gives a balance point at 35 centimeter length. Students, from this information we understood if EMF of a cell is 1.25, volt, the balance length we obtain is at 35 centimeter. If the cell is replaced by another cell and the balance point shifts to 63 centimeter, the students balance point is given 63 centimeter, but EMF of a cell is not given. What is the EMF of a second cell? So we have to find the value of E2. Students, from this information we understood this is the application of potentiometer, and here we are going to use the formula of comparison of two EMF. The formula is E1 upon E2 is equals to L1 upon L2. We will resubstitute the value. What is the value of E1 here? 1.25. Value of E2 we don't know. L1 is what? 35 centimeter. L2 is 63 centimeter. To find L2, we will use simple mathematics. The 1.25 multiplied by 63 upon 35 is equals to E2. After solving this particular numerical, we will get the value of E2. If you observe that 7 9s are 63, 7 5s are 35, 5 1s are 5, 5 zeros are 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 25 9s are 225, and there are 2 points after decimal. 2.25 volt. The value of E2 is 2.25 volt. Let us do the second activity. With a certain cell, the balance point is obtained at 65 centimeter from the end of the potentiometer wire, and with another cell whose EMF differs from that of the first by 0.1 volt. The balance point is obtained at 60 cm. This is important numerical, students. Students, value of E1 we don't know. Question mark. But balance point we are getting is what? 65 centimeter. The end of the potentiometer wire. Okay, and with the another cell whose EMF, if I use another cell and that difference between the two cell differ from that of first is 0.1 volt, means what? The difference between two EMF of two cells is what given? 0.1 volt. And that time the balance point is obtained at 60 centimeter. If I use the EMF of cell E2, balance point we are getting what? L2, which is what? 60 centimeter. So students, here E2 also unknown, but E1 minus E2, the difference in EMF is 0.1 volt. L1 and L2 we know. We can find a difference in length also. So L1 minus L2 is what? 65 centimeter minus 60 centimeter will give us what? 5 centimeter. Students, in the required we have to find E1, value of E1 and value of what? E2. Students, let us apply the formula by application of potentiometer. E1 upon E2, so E1 minus E2 upon E2 is equals to what? L1 minus L2 upon L2. What is E1 minus E2? The value of E1 minus E2 is what? 0.1 volt. value of E2 we don't know. L1 minus L2 is 5 centimeter. L2 is what? 60 centimeter. We can find easily the value of what? E2. For that, 0.1 into 60 upon what? 5 will give us what? E2. So 5 ones are 5, 5 12s are 60. 12 into 0.1 is what? 1.2 volt. The value of E2 is 1.2 volt. Since E1 minus E2 is equals to 0.1 volt, so what is E1 equals to? 0.1 volt minus E2 will go there, become what? Plus E2. 0.1 plus E2. What is E2? Value of E2 is what? 1.2. So 1.2 plus 0.1 is what? 1.3 volt. The value of E1 and E2 we got, that is 1.3 volt and 1.2 volt. Thank you very much.